We are coming to you live from Megabat in Portmore. As we said to you, it's part of the Cross Country Connect 2026. So we look forward to seeing you shop. I'm right opposite the food court. What are you having, Mrs. Fuller? Water. That's very good. We're going to take some of your calls now. What I didn't get from the Public Accounts Committee, did the chairman, did anybody ask the former CEO? Well, the Auditor General said the former CEO resigned, but I didn't get from the current chairman whether in his investigations, if he's doing some investigation, then anybody asked the former CEO any questions? Well, the Auditor General says the imported items were supported by an undated declaration letter reflecting the name and signature of the former CEO. You see, that should put reflecting the name and purported. That is what is supposed to be there, and purported signature. Because we don't know. If we don't have the capacity to analyze handwriting, sometimes you can't just look and tell. So I prefer to read this, that it's supported by an undated declaration letter reflecting the name and purported signature of the former CEO. The declaration letter certified that the goods entered hereon are imported solely for UHWI and indicated that, quote, the import duty is exempted. 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 Do we say exempted or we just say exempt? Exempted. Is exempted by the University Act 1960.10. GCT is 0 rated according to the first schedule, part 3, group 8 of the Act. Additionally, the bill of lading, call it bill of lading, designated the current CEO as the consignee and private company 2 as the notifying party. Although the current CEO's name and signature appeared on both the bill of lading and the C-84 document, the CEO denied that UHWI facilitated the import. The differing statements, combined with the lack of supporting documentation and inconsistent representations across different customs forms, signal the need for further investigation given the misrepresentations about the true ownership of the imported goods and the loss of tax revenues of $10.1 million. Wow. Where do we go? By the way, the other thing that jumped out at me, I'm going to come to your calls now, 876-926-2178. I think somebody needs to brief this correct board chairman, you know. Because I think it is against the law for you to disclose that an entity is being investigated by the Integrity Commission. You're not supposed to disclose that an entity is being investigated by the Integrity Commission unless and until a report is tabled in the Parliament by the Integrity Commission. So imagine my shock when I heard the chairman saying these entities are being investigated by Customs, MOCA, Integrity Commission. Huh? No. We're not supposed to know that. And I'm happy not knowing it for good reasons. There are some people who want to hear, to believe that things are being done. I'm happy to wait. Anyway, 876-926-2178, 926-863. What's the proper word, Mrs. Fuller? Exempted? Kuya. It's 9:39. Why are you my first caller this morning?
Morning, Mr. Mullings. Morning, Dr. Taylor.
Morning, Mr. Mullings. Yes.
Oh, I'm going to call Daniel this morning.
Me can't hear.
Daniel, read one advertisement this morning. What past long time. I mean, you said Dr. Taylor. Daniel, you're not getting paid. You hear me say, because the little pay where they get, no go on like they get good pay. You hear me say, just to know that I'm not call Dr. Taylor. And where they promote you not get good pay. Eh?
Well, you know, but what is it that he read? DT send me what you read because me no understand.
Daniel they read it. I mean, no Daniel now get paid because the election change where they get. Only because you want to serve people make a come on the radio, Daniel. Nobody with you.
Only because you want what?
Because I want to serve Jamaican foreign people. Nobody come with it, Daniel, like, yeah, just good pay. So I
active.
Know what advertisement for. Nonsense.
Which ad, Mrs. Fuller? Which ad him shut up about?
But with it, like when they get good pay. Oh.
You getting paid?
Huh?
You getting paid any at all?
No, sorry, tell me they do something.
Yes. So what is the issue?
You know, can't see your name, and it's gone forward. So we don't know what Daniel let show up with that. Huh?
Listen, DT doesn't determine what he reads on air, and I don't know what you're talking about. Let me check it out before.
Me know why I know, but you don't know.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Morning.
Morning foreign, morning Jamaica, morning.
Morning Jamaica, morning everybody.
Eh?
Call me.
Pardon?
So visually play people call me.
Yes.
Disabilities.
Yeah.
Disabilities people, they're asking for them to the night time. So, they tell me this morning, after them they report to me.
Yes.
They say last night, hey, me no say Markland come back, them tell me say Markland on night radio.
Eh.
So one man said to that, one man said to Markland, say, in don't just thinking called you.
Yes.
Tell Markland, say, Markland, if I don't take anything for nobody, guys, but take anything for anybody. You need to see a girl, you have the same time your wife will put no mask out there. So you better be careful.
The same one?
One time done, yeah.
Wait you say, if him take anything, what happen?
If him take anything, and as him stay one yard, and his wife can't pick the march out, let him the very next day. Nobody to blame on your Markland. Remember one time, one pastor done here. He's having church full of people. Very full, young people. Everybody full. And one pastor for hope to come down. He said, Bishop John Campbell. No, then Bishop is your pastor. What are you a member in your church? The man top one right banana give every member. Them know the man they go up to so nice bus for the member they gone out of John Church Tony.
What you say happen? No, what you say happen? After the banana, what happened?
After the man pop one finger right banana, give the whole of John Campbell member them in church. After the man reach a thought, after the whole of John member them come out of one by one, let me do all the things up there.
Well, the moral of the story is any pastor who wants to give a fruit, don't give a banana. Give a give a guava. Give a guava. Red Heart. Give Bishop Campbell give a red heart guava next time.
Let me start business now.
Yes.
Talking about disability. If somebody put on me, no party or something, as in child, they put on. Find the pension book. And part of the pension book for us. In Beera Carry goes the office for August, September, I burn up, August, September, October, November, December. It's a 5 leaves. They only when get July. Only 1 leaf they when get July. 6 days coming at the pension. Until now, they don't get back no money. They get one book here now. Only March night. March, April, May, June. 4 leaves come night. So January, February, gone. And they never get August, September, October, November, December. You understand me? They need their pension. They can't survive without the pension. They need the little money. They need the little money. So church is a talk up to the pension here. Talk up first. That's one within the they will come from Canada.
Wait, hold on a second. Let us take a banana break. Yes, wrap it up now. What you say?
I mean, to continue upon the pension, I mean to go upon the floor. You understand the pension tour, what I give?
Yes, me understand it. Go upon the floor quickly.
On the floor, on the farm, you know, say, all the they come here now, and the people in their yard.
Yes.
Until nobody not get no floor. And then the floor for the people then to pay them bill. Not change down here now.
So what you calling me? What you calling me on? Did you sell?
No, mommy, they call the internet the people and they quarrel for. Now, did you tell me they plan me 7-day plan me the plan here now?
Yes.
And if they call the people, they must to me, they plan me plan and the well, the problem to me. I mean, I have the internet something. Reporting to me, I'm so fast. Then I come run back the wire, what Pop done. And they say, they must still pay a bill system. What kind of story? Now the people don't got the people don't got them people in their yard, you know. What the people don't watch you know in their home. And I like me, I want you to play a jack and play them, you know, and play dice, you know. Then you have to kind of in a lifestyle again, you know.
True.
Then don't give me one card for how you look. Not see one dice, you know. So ask them to do dice and they can't tell you.
Yes.
You understand me? So at
yes.
different things, then don't even know if to get so young so orange to go play basketball, you know. Then I know the next thing come here, you.
Yes.
At this time, so call out flow to come and do so you can give people the main cable.
You did. Thank you. Bless you. Good to hear you.
Glad to hear. I'm glad you come back. Praise the Lord. Radio good again. Morning, Mr. Mullings. Morning, Dr. Taylor. Morning, Church Sister. And I say love you.
Morning, Mr. Crosskill. Simon Crosskill. You didn't mention him.
I must be mad. You can really go Church Sister.
Well, what is this now?
Morning. Morning, guys, Mullings.
It looked to me like you don't think that love. You can love everybody at the same time, you know.
Love everybody after you betray me. You know, say RGR, they come better. And people are your RGR.
Oh, tell me something. Tell me something, Miss Christian. Let me ask you something. What did Jesus do when he was betrayed?
And I'm here, Jesus, nobody in the pit in my face, one writer.
Go looking at the Bible. There's a section in the Bible that tells you that every day you must try and imitate Jesus.
He said nobody could pick for me one writer and one left uppercut. So put Mr. Mullings and take up man. What can't you do?
No, that is not how it goes. But thank you. God bless you. You see that now? Hear what I said to you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for the call. John is with me. John, how are you?
I am not doing bad, Michelle.
Everywhere we go, you follow me.
I took a taxi from town to come over here to see you.
Gee, and you pay a toll? Well, you pay a taxi fare.
Yes.
So the taxi man charge extra if he use the toll? Or you never? A back road to drive?
$3,000 to come over here.
Oh, God. I give you back $30 tight. How are you? What you come to tell me?
Mr. Shields, you know, I am giving God thanks. I did that test.
Did you?
Yes, and got back the results. The results are favorable.
Yes.
I'm on my way now to start the radiation.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. So when you say the results are favorable, what does that mean? Your numbers have lowered?
No, because I'm taking the medication.
Yes.
It has contained the cells. So there's no there's no spread at all.
Right.
So it's right there, so they know exactly what to do.
Very good.
I have a date for the 14th. The date has come up. So the 4th of April, which
Right.
is the Tuesday after next.
Okay.
Mr. Shields, I give God thanks. As a matter of fact, I want to say thanks to 2 persons. One of my church brother, and another lady overseeing named Grace, who is my Twitter friend, who sent an envelope to you, but Kimberly Broderick to send it to me, and it came to me.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Yes, Grace contributes a lot to my hotline for the Elderly Initiative.
I appreciate it.
Yes.
But this is, listening this thing about the UHWI and Dennis Gardner and Jack Den, I think it's very unfortunate that the spin has been put at it that way.
What's the spin?
Do you know that UHWI has an arrangement to that they can bring in medical supplies? They do it for children, they do it for Andrew, they do it for not all, and with them exemption. They do it. What happened in this arrangement?
What do you mean they have that arrangement where they can bring it in? So the supplies that they bring in,
Not necessary for them.
and they use their tax exemption status for that?
Yes, the Article 14 of their Constitution
Yes.
states it.
State that what? That they can do
That
that?
they can do it.
So what about the Customs Act? They can't contract outside of the law, you know.
The thing is they have an exempt. They have an exempt.
Yes, but the
So they
exempt.
bring it in.
No, but I understand that. Hold on, John. Who will call you? Tell Liz. Liz, don't call him right now.
I would say
A long time in a year, Liz.
so
No, hold on a second. As I understand the tax exempt status, it is granted perhaps to an individual or an entity that has some public function, and it is to be used by that individual or entity only for goods and services to be used in the institution.
Well, as a matter of fact, Mr. Shields,
Yes.
it is used in this arrangement with Jack Den.
Yes,
The UHWI
yes.
send patients to Jack Den.
No,
Yes, ma'am. It's a part of the clause.
listen to me.
No, I know that.
Hold on a second. Heather Miller Bennett, in one of the best episodes in that, turn off your phone before you send me hormones out of whack with all this ringing. Heather Miller Bennett, in the Public Accounts Committee of Parliament, asked that very question of Mr. Hosin, the chairman of the board of UHWI. What benefit does UHWI get from the arrangement with Jack Den? Is it that patients go to Jack Den and get a discounted rate to use the dialysis? And Mr. Hosin said no,
Well,
there's no benefit.
No, he doesn't know what you're saying, Mr. Shields.
You go to Jack Den for dialysis?
No, but I have a document here that states exactly that what happened, and Dennis Gordon
But
has
this is
said that is true.
No, but this is the problem. You are coming to give evidence that UHWI did not give to the Auditor General when she conducted an in-depth investigation.
Well, ma'am, that's a problem from their sides.
Where is the problem?
Because they should have said that.
No, but
it is true.
But let me ask you, John. Think about it
I can't tell you
logically.
something, Mr.
No, before
I
you
have
tell
said-
me, why would an institution withhold information that would exonerate it in some way from the body that is set up by the Constitution to examine its
Mr.
books?
Shields, sometimes that we're told, and sometimes you have forgotten something.
But even if they forgot it months ago, we had the chairman before the board yesterday, we had the man who is in charge of procurement, we had the senior auditor, and none of them told the parliament on
All right,
Tuesday.
Mr. Shields, I can tell you of people who have gone there and gotten it at reduced price.
We got a problem.
Who are patients from UWI.
You can say that. UWI has not said it.
All right.
The chief auditor has not said it. The head of procurement has not said it. The permanent secretary has not said it, nor the new chairman of the board. And you
Mr.
coming
Shields,
here to say?
Mr. Shields, I know you're the person who would investigate the person.
Well,
And I'm sure you'll get that from them. But anyway, Mr. Shields.
let them give it to the police. Or
Huh?
give it to the Integrity Commission.
No, the thing is, Mr. Shields, what I appreciate is that what's happening at Jackden, lives are being saved. You know, the same problem, it's my same people who are complaining about Jackden, were the ones who were praising developers.
No, forget Jackden for the moment, because what is happening now is the political color.
No, it's a political color.
It is. That's all you're speaking on in is politics.
All right, let me go a little further with the shields. I am not hearing about those who bring in the goods at a little bit of price and sell back the same institution.
All of those.
I need to hear more of that.
All of those were subject to the Auditor General's report, and they're all being investigated.
But I am happy with the shield that
three companies. Do you know any of the other people behind the other three companies?
My investigation have told me about two of them.
Okay.
But I won't disclose it.
No, let the police and all of them
Yes.
do their work. But you see, part of the problem, John, and as you go in for your thing, I really rue the way in which we discuss matters based on the people who are said to be behind the entities. You need to think about it, because something is fundamentally wrong with that. As I've said this morning, I was quite happy when the name of the companies, when those names were not disclosed. Because I think in this era of such loquacity and desire for gossip and everything, I am happy if people do their full investigation, and if there's any charge to be laid, the charges are to be laid. But even within that environment, we had the gentleman behind Jackden coming out and making all sort of statements. What does he say now?
But I don't think he will say anything different from what he said before.
And none of that changes anything for you at the moment.
Let me tell you something. You see what I problem the shields?
Does he remain as member of the PAC in your view?
But he wasn't at the meeting.
He recused himself from
Yes,
one, but should
yes.
he remain a member of the PAC in your view?
Well, in my view, the shield, it won't be here nor there. But I think
And should the party take any position against it?
I personally,
Yes.
I would say, look here, since this come up,
Yes.
let me excuse myself from this committee. Let me remove myself from this
And what
committee.
about from the party and from the region chair?
No,
Anything else?
and the people vote for him.
Okay.
Why would you want to move him away from the party?
Ask you a question. I'll
But,
give
but
you.
he can leave from the PSC.
Okay.
I don't see nothing wrong with
The
that.
PAC.
PSC.
Good to see you.
Very
All the best in your surgery. I'm sure you'll find me and call me before, but God bless you.
respect our manners.
All right. Take care.